Picture a Sunday morning, coffee steaming, kids in jerseys arguing about who has the lucky seat, the game's about to start, and then a knock at the door. Officers on the porch. Your partner is being taken away. What do you do next?
Welcome to Danny's Den. If this is happening to you right now, you're in the right place. Let's chat. Okay, first thing, breathe. I know this is terrifying. Breathe again. Safety for you and the children comes first. Always. If anyone is in immediate danger, call emergency services right now.
If the kids need another adult, get them to a safe caregiver immediately. A trusted family member, a neighbor you know, or a friend who can step in. Have a short list in your phone of people who can drop everything and help. If you don't have one yet, make it now after this episode. Listen, an arrest doesn't flip custody like a light switch. It can start a process, but courts usually need hearings before anything changes. I've seen people panic here. Breathe, write this down, and call an attorney. When officers are present, keep your words short and neutral. A simple script that protects you. I'm not going to answer questions without my attorney present. And please tell me your name and badge number. Those lines buy you time and make sure you don't say something that could be used later. Next step, call a lawyer. If the person arrested needs a criminal defense attorney, get that contact. You'll also want a family law attorney on standby to explain custody implications. If you can't call immediately, at least note the details. Time, location, arresting agency, officer names, and any statements made. Write things down as you go. Treat it like a tiny journal in your phone. Example entry, 4/12, missed 10 a.m. exchange. Aunt Maria picked up kids, paid $45 childcare. Little entries like that add up and matter a lot in family court. Okay, quick practical checklist to keep handy. Who had the children today? Missed pickups or exchanges, any police reports, photos of the scene, and screenshots of texts. If someone witnessed events, ask if they'd jot a short note and share contact info. Those everyday records are persuasive. You might be thinking, do I have to cancel game day? How do I tell the kids? Keep routines where you can. Kids need anchors. Pancakes before the game, a familiar playlist, the same story at bedtime. Rituals don't fix everything, but they tell children some parts of our life are steady. If your partner will be absent for parenting time, pick a consistent backup caregiver, same person when possible. Write the temporary plan down and date it. That written agreement helps later if custody questions come up. A few low-effort tricks that help kids feel continuity. A game day box with the lucky jersey, snacks, and a small activity. A 30-minute supervised video call during the fourth quarter so the absent parent can still say hi. And using the same calming playlist after a rough moment so the music becomes a safety cue. Now the hard part. Relationships. Pause big decisions until you have facts. It's okay to say, I need time to gather information before we talk about this. That both protects your emotional space and prevents rushed statements that can show up in court later. If charges involve violence, substance misuse, or neglect, those are serious red flags. Safety measures and potentially changing the parenting plan may be necessary. If the arrest is nonviolent and temporary, focus first on keeping kids stable while legal issues work through. Listen, you don't have to be the hero who holds it all together alone. Lean on trusted friends, family, or a short-term therapist for both you and the children. If at any point you feel unsafe, call emergency services or a local domestic violence hotline. Safety first, always. When you talk to the kids, keep it simple. For little ones, mommy or daddy is dealing with something grown-ups have to fix. You are safe. We're together today. For older kids, answer questions honestly but briefly. A line I use, I don't have all the answers yet, but I will tell you what I can. Document missed parenting time the moment it happens. Date, scheduled time, what actually happened, who watched the kids, and any extra expenses. Save receipts for childcare or travel. If someone witnessed a missed exchange, get their name and ask if they'd write a short note. That concrete detail matters.
Small example for your Notes app. 4:12, 10 a.m. pickup missed. Aunt Maria picked up, paid $45 for childcare, texted partner, no response. Keep it short and time-stamped. Now, a quick thing you can do to reset the house. Play a calming 90s R&B track that everyone knows. My pick? End of the Road. It's slow, familiar, and it tells kids this moment is contained. It's a cue for quiet and comfort. Pair it with low lights or a cozy blanket, and you get more than music. You get routine. Resources. Save a family law attorney and a criminal attorney contact if you can. Bookmark local counseling options and download the one-page checklist in the show notes. I can't give jurisdiction-specific legal advice here, so please consult local counsel for next steps. Quick recap. Safety first, routine second. Document everything. Make those short notes in your phone. Keep the same backup caregiver when possible. Preserve receipts and use predictable routines and music to help kids feel steady. Those small steps protect both your family and your legal position. If this landed for you during a crisis, please prioritize safety and get help now. For everyone else, check the show notes for the downloadable checklist, resource links, and options to book a free 30-minute legal consultation if you'd like more direct help. Subscribe to Danny's Den for weekly episodes about law, parenting, relationships, and sports. If you want deeper help, check the show notes to book that free consult. Let's keep the kids safe, keep the traditions alive, and remember, you don't have to do this alone. Let's chat. Take care. I'll be back next week with more practical tips and a little sports banter to keep the weekends feeling like weekends.